Hi guys, welcome back to part 3 of Dubai series. So this will be series number 3 and today's topic is affordable place to live in Dubai or live in UAE. Okay, so straight into the topic. This video is going to be out of my personal experience. So I came to Dubai in the month of May and then straightly we came to a place. We are still in the same place because it is very affordable. Okay, so today we have only one topic, that is the places. The list of places will be given, and additionally I have 3 tips for you. End of the video. Okay, so welcome back and subscribe to my channel. Anybody who is dreaming Dubai, share this video right away. So let us dive into the topic straightly. This is a topic that is very crisp and clear. The most affordable place to stay is Sharjah. You can only stay in Sharjah, if you have very less amount, you can stay in Sharjah. And I am in Sharjah because as per my planning, the first 1 year, it is a baby period for both of us. Okay, so we are new and we just got our job, so we need to see how we can reduce the cost of living. So if you are somebody who is planning for a very simple lifestyle and not very lavish lifestyle, you don't have to spend lakhs on rent, then it is Sharjah. So today let me discuss few places in Sharjah where you can stay with very less cost. Okay, so if for example you have a salary of 2500 AED in Dubai, and still I think you can afford for a good place in Sharjah, but not in Dubai. Your Dubai rent will exceed your salary basically, so you can't live. Matte sala iskonodalla, we can't. Okay, so the name list I have actually for you guys to give a complete information, detailed information. I recollect and then I make notes basically, and then I tell you, so that I don't miss out on any names or anything. So I have few names, and I will first read out the name and type in the names in the side also. So anybody who's coming to Sharjah can note down these places and check for rent. Okay, so the names are Al Majaz, Al Nada, Al Tuan, Al Khan, Al Kasmiya, Butina, Abu Shagara, Al Naba. All these places I am very familiar, like we both are very familiar because it's in and around here. And I live in Al Majaz and Abu Shagara. My first partition room was in Al Majaz and second one was in Abu Shagara, and we're still in Abu Shagara. So we have reason why we are not living Sharjah, and I have reason why I am revolving around Abu Shagara and Al Majaz and Al Kasmiya only. Kasmiya is very closer to us, of 10 minutes walk. So here in these places, you can see the list here. So in these particular places, bed spaces are costing only between 350 dirhams to 450 dirhams, including Seva. What is Seva? Seva is Sharjah electricity. So if you're living in Dubai, it will be Deva bill, which is Dubai electricity. So we are in Sharjah, it's Sharjah electricity. Including all of this, it's going to be 350 to 450 dirhams only for bed space. Okay, bed space. What is a bed space? Bed space is basically where you have a huge room, not too huge. You have a bedroom size room where at least 8 to 12 people will be accommodated. A bed and top bed. What do you call that? Stacking bed, like dormitory. That is how you can live. That is basically sharing. Okay, sharing a room with all your friends or any roommates that are with you. Okay, that is bed space. You will get it between 350 to 450. And partitions are available from 600 dirhams to 800 to 900 dirhams, excluding bill. Including bill, inside it will not even touch 1000 dirhams. A basic, just a divan size bed and a cupboard will be there most probably, or otherwise they won't even give you that. So this will cost around, including all the Seva bill and Wi-Fi, it is going to cost you around 900 dirhams. So, and 1 BHK, 1 room kitchen, 2 BHK, 3 BHK. 3 BHK will hardly cost you 3500 dirhams. Not even 3500, it will cost you 3300 dirhams monthly rent for 3 BHK. For 2 BHK, it is going to cost you 2,500 dirhams, which is in Sharjah. In Dubai, so whatever prices I have told here, make it 2 to 3 times higher if you're living in Dubai. So here a bed space is 400 including Seva. In Dubai, the bed space is going to be 800 to 1,200 excluding Seva. Deva, not Seva, Deva. The bill is different, Dubai bill, okay? And partition is going to be 1,500, between 1,500 to 1,800 excluding the bill. You will have 5-star kind of partition and all, but initially it is a very good thing that you don't spend a lot of money until you get a very good salaried job. Personally, like your homie, I'm telling you. So these are the places, and this is the small budget inside Sharjah. This is only the place where you can save a lot of money. You can ask anybody. You can share my video and ask if this is true. And then I had 3 tips, as I told. The first one is, consider to take a house which is a little far from the city, far from any big landmarks. Take a house which is a little inside. No problem if you walk to bus stop for 20 minutes, but your rent will be reduced if you are staying a little inside. So this is the first tip. Be a little far from the city or any major landmarks, okay? The second one is, we do not have a car and bike once we come here, right? So whenever you plan for an apartment, plan for an apartment where there is no parking. If you are choosing an apartment with parking, the rent will be higher. This is something that we learned recently. So you choose a place which has no parking initially until you buy a car. Once you buy a car, along with the car, change the house also. And the last tip is, guys, you can negotiate. You can negotiate. I don't know. I didn't negotiate. I used to negotiate like hell in, India, back in India. Here you can negotiate. This is the third tip. Negotiate well and they will come to your level. So this is a very small video about places and, the budget where you can save a lot of money. And do let me know in comments if you need any other topic to be added onto this series. I will definitely consider it, and share this video straight to your one of the friend who is dreaming Dubai always. And I will be here to help you guys and to guide you guys if anybody is really willing to come to Dubai and start their life, but you must be ready to struggle, huh? So until we meet in the next video, ta-da!